You and I and the trees, we share a distant ancestor. We are relatives. But it's not like your 15th removed cousin who now lives in Spain and you've never met. No, we are in constant contact with this family member. In the process of photosynthesis, plants release oxygen as a byproduct. And so all of the oxygen that fills the atmosphere was made by plants. And so all the oxygen that powers you was made and is constantly renewed by plants. And so not only is it that the principles that govern us reflect the principles that govern the plants and animals, but that we are in constant relationship with them. Understanding photosynthesis, how trees generate energy, and understanding evolution, the story of unfolding complexity of life on this planet, are two of the crowning achievements of Western science to help us understand the principles that govern the universe. However, many cultures from around the world understood themselves to be interdependent and connected with nature without science. The Taoists understood themselves as part of nature, and one way that they showed it is the yin-yang. Yin and yang, shown as black and white, are a pair of opposites, but are they in opposition? What's their relationship? Let's take an example to explore you and not you. Now, you and me, we seem like a discrete thing ending at the border of our skin, but we've now found with every breath that we take, we are intimately connected to all of the trees and all of the plant life. And of course, the trees, they need the sun, they need the soil, they need the fungi, they need the worms. The connections go on and on. So you need everything that isn't you to be here. So although you may look different, actually you come into being together with everything else. As the Taoists would say, you arise mutually. So how did the Taoists understand this without science? Well, I invite you to take a breath with me. If we just inhale together and exhale together. If we're present with that, we'll realize that every breath in, we take something in, every breath out, we release something. And our ancestors thought about this and saw that anyone who didn't breathe would die within a couple of minutes. And so they realized that actually they are connected and dependent upon things that are outside of themselves. And so this is a form of learning that is available to us through simply being present, which is why many spiritual traditions have practices for quietening the mind, meditation. Because it's like if you've had a busy day at work and you're driving home and you're thinking and you're thinking and you're thinking, you miss your turning off the motorway. And that's like us if we don't create the time for contemplation and slowing down. We miss important things. And so when we quieten the mind, things that we previously missed are revealed.